Aloha guys, we are back in the sneaker room once again. Last week's sneaker mystery box was actually filmed at Goku Flex's house. It was a collab video with that guy. Very cool YouTuber, and I hope you guys watched that video. If not, I'll link it up here. And that was really fun, man. I love having guests on the channel, so hopefully we can do more of those very soon. And actually next week we're going to be having a huge YouTuber come on, so stay tuned for that, man. Anyway, we have a sneaker mystery box for you guys today. $3,000 from Direct Kicks. So it should be super sick, guys. I mean, you guys can see this. It is a huge box. Lowe's, baby. We're sponsored by Lowe's today. Not really. I'm assuming a lot of beaters, some hopefully DS shoes, and maybe a grail or two. Fingers crossed, we gotta see. Anyway, I do have two quick announcements before we do the unboxing, guys. First and foremost, we're actually doing a meet and greet at Bait Honolulu this Sunday, March 8th, I believe, March 8th. And it's gonna be from 12 to 3. It's gonna be super sick. We're gonna be doing the meet and greet stuff. And it's also gonna be co-hosted by another local guy, Christian, otherwise known as Frugal Aesthetic on YouTube. So really funny guy. I'm sure you guys have seen his YouTube videos and stuff. He's gonna be there, I'm gonna be there. It's gonna be a good time, man. So if you guys are in Hawaii on Sunday, March 8th, mark your calendar from 12 to 3. We'll be at Bait Honolulu, hanging out with you guys, talking story, doing all that fun stuff. So that's gonna be really sick. Announcement number 2 is that we are bringing back the Dream Shoe giveaway for March, guys. So another opportunity for you guys to win your dream sneaker of up to $500. I love the response that we got in February, so I'm gonna be running it back again in March. And it's super easy to enter, guys. All you guys gotta do is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram at Untied Hawaii, like this video, and then lastly and most importantly, comment on this video your sneaker size and what your dream shoe is gonna be. Up to $500, guys. You guys can pick anything on there. It's your dream sneakers. That's enough talking. That's enough announcements. Let's get into the unboxing now. $3,000. Let's see what we got. Oh no, Direct Kicks, did you screw me, guys? Come on. No, I mean, it's hard to say. We got to open up the boxes, but the top shoes are not looking so hot. Because first thing out of the box is we have this shoe right here. Size 14. And that was my worry, man. It looked like a big shoe. Big shoes don't sell that well, if you guys didn't know. Man, I really want to guess that it's called the South Beach. I'm not sure. I could be wrong, but it has that kind of vibe with like that pink and that blue. So when you guys look at it over here, you guys can see Air Max 98, and it is slightly worn. I mean, you guys can see those bottoms a little bit dirty. However, there's no scuffing on the shoe at all, and everything on the upper looks fine to me. Should have some decent value here because of that condition. Second shoe out is a Jordan 1 mid, and this is that black and yellow colorway, man. And this one is in a size 10, a little bit shorter than those high versions, so that makes it a little bit different to wear. Also, materials on here aren't as clean as like a Jordan 1 high model. This is kind of like a worn down suede, so not very good. But overall, like I said, the color blocking is impressive and nice. So I like that. And the last shoe without a box in here is a Jordan 4 Toro size 5Y. So I didn't even know they made these in grade school sizes. Toro Bravo. It's in like kind of like a reverse bread, I like to think of it as. A lot of red, black on this shoe, and just a nice color scheme if you guys are into red sneakers. You can tell that this one has been worn quite a bit. However, nothing major on the shoe constitutes it for being like a beaters. Nice pickup right here. I'm not sure how the Jordan 4 market works for like youth sizes, but I'm sure it'll fetch some decent value as well. Now we can actually get into the shoes with boxes, guys. We'll start it off actually with this pair right here, Nike Air Force 1. This one is in a size 8, and it's a doozy, guys. It's a doozy. I can read it over here in the box because we have a pair of the Travis Scott Air Force 1 lows, guys. And man, this thing goes hard. Wow, this is in really nice condition, actually. This is super clean. This was the first Air Force 1 low actually that he released. This does have the removable swoosh over here that you can change out. Rest of the shoe looks very immaculate, to be honest, guys. This is made out of canvas material, so usually it gets like very dirty very quickly. But for this kind of shoe, I'm surprised that it's so clean, man. Look at those bottoms as well. Barely worn. So this is gonna fetch a lot of money, especially in a size 8. That's a money size. I guess I can see why it's a $3,000 box now. We're finally picking up the heat. All right, next shoe out is a Foamposite box. This one is a size 13. Ooh, is this called the Chromeposite, something like that, man. I'm not a big Foamposite guy, but this is actually not too bad. You guys can see that chrome upper on here. It is a Foamposite though, so there should be some decent damage around the shoe. Yep, there it is. There it is, because this thing can chip off very easy. So when it's worn, you guys know it's worn. Bottoms are still relatively icy though. I don't know how he chipped up the top of the shoe, but the bottoms look so darn clean. So this is actually not too bad of a condition. Good shoe right here, Foamposites, although they are not like super crazy like hype anymore. there's still some decent value just because the retail is so high on these things, and there's a lot of people that still like the Foamposite look. So hopefully we got a buyer for that one. If I didn't mention it earlier, by the way, if you guys want to try to cop any of these shoes, they will be available on untiedhawaii.com. So highly recommend you guys go check that out. Hey, Off-White box. And this one, ooh, Zoom Fly. In a size 11, that's my size. Oh, interesting. It's that black Zoom Fly. Okay, okay. It looks... Wait, is it dead stock? This is a tough one to tell. This might be a dead stock Off-White. When you guys look at those bottoms, I don't see any sign of dirt or wear anywhere on this. And because it's a runner, you would expect there to be some kind of wear and tear on it. I don't see any sock lint or anything in here either. So I'm assuming this is dead stock, which would mean that's a good pickup. Off-White, brand new. Good pickup right there. Okay, and now we got a Nike Dunk box over here. And... ooh, ray guns. I like it, man. Oh, maybe not. Kind of a beater. So over here on the toe box, you guys can see there's a little bit of like cracking on the leather, which kind of sucks. But I mean, it is an older shoe, so you got to expect that much. Also, there's a pretty heavy crease right here, so I don't know how the heck you crease this. Does that mean his toe was like right here? This doesn't make sense how you get a crease like this. That's crazy. It is still an iconic sneaker since they had that re-release of like the updated versions of the ray guns. I think these actually like did a little bit better in value, and just because the dunk market is kind of exploding. So this will definitely sell. Just, you gotta be careful of that crease, man. I don't understand how you crease it right there. That's crazy. All right, 4 shoes left. We got some bangers left in there. This one is a size 10.5 Air Max 95 though, and nope, it's a replacement box because this is a Dunk High, and this one is actually in a size, oh, it is a size 10.5, so that's fine. I'm not sure what the colorway is on this one. It's definitely some kind of Barney purple though. Kind of nice color blocking. The contrast is dope. I'm guessing that this is a pretty hype sneaker because it was in a replacement box. Bottoms are dirty. Nothing else going crazy up here. I'm hoping that I'm not making a fool of myself and this is like a classic shoe. Anyway, good pickup right there, I guess. Okay, looks like we have half of a CDP pack right here. Oh, I see it. I see it. It's a good one because we have a pair of the Jordan 11 Breads, man. Oh, man. Ooh. Wait. Wow. This is dead stock. This is dead stock. That's crazy. Oh, man. Okay, so this should have some amazing, amazing value. CDP Jordan 11, man. Dead stock condition. Look at how beautiful this thing is. I believe that this was out in 2008, so the fact that it's like 12 years old and in dead stock condition is crazy. No toe box creasing at all in the patent leather. Everything else on the shoe, no creases anywhere, so this is a beauty, man. Very nice pickup right here. All right, 2 shoes left. This one is my favorite box, the Jordan 1 box, and this one is in a, ooh, man. This might be a replacement box, but if this is the shoe that it's supposed to be, this is a banger. What? Okay. What the heck? I wasn't expecting the reverse shattered backboards. I thought this was going to be the 1.0s, but this is actually the 2.0 shattered backboards. 9.5, okay, so this was a replacement box. And this one is not as nice as the 1.0, but it's still pretty good. I mean, when you guys look at it over here, if you guys are into orange, this is a good sneaker for you. Leather quality on this thing is actually better than a lot of people say it is. Bottoms, a little bit dirty, nothing too crazy though, and everything else looks good. These things have actually been taking off in value and catching up to those 1.0 numbers, so this one will be a good one for sure. And the last shoe in here is one that I haven't seen in a while in a box. It's this huge thing right here. Yeezy 750 in a size 11, and not in dead stock condition though, that sucks. Yeezy 750, there is a good amount of wear on this thing. You guys can see that the suede over here is kind of run down. Also at the top, I guess the guy was wearing like denim that was staining the top over here, so there's a lot of blue up here as well. And everything else looks good. These still fetch some decent value, but they're definitely not as hype as they used to be, which is kind of sad because this is one of my favorite ones. Anyway guys, that is it for this beater box. Huge box, and for $3,000, kind of just looking back on hindsight, I think we got a pretty solid box. 750 Jordan 1s, dead stock CDPs. It looked pretty darn good to me, so good value here. Definitely a lot of heat as well, so that's dope. Again, if you guys want to pick up any of these shoes, go to untiedhawaii.com. Also, don't forget to mark your calendars for the Bait meet and greet, March 8th, Sunday at Bait Honolulu from 12 to 3. Me and Frugal Aesthetic will be there, and we'll be hanging out with you guys. It's gonna be a fun time. I'm not sure what to expect, but I'm excited. Also, don't forget to enter the Dream Shoe giveaway. Again, up to a $500 sneaker for you guys, and the instructions are all in the description, so really fast, really easy. Takes like 10 seconds. Do it, guys. You guys could end up winning your dream sneaker. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!